Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about what are WhatsApp stories. Let's get started. Stories are a common feature of some social media platforms today. It was originally started by Snapchat, and today Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp also added stories in their platform. On WhatsApp, you can share photos, videos, text, and GIFs as stories that will be available to be viewed by your WhatsApp contacts for 24 hours only. After 24 hours from the time that your photo or video has been uploaded as one of your WhatsApp stories, it will disappear and can no longer be seen in your stories. On Instagram, you can check the stories section using their web or mobile app and browse all the stories uploaded by the people you follow. On Facebook, you can view the stories of people in their web or mobile app messenger too. WhatsApp lets you know if your contacts viewed your story if you check the eye icon where you can see it on the lower middle section of your story. If the eye icon has a number next to it, it means that those number of contacts have viewed your story. If you swipe up, you can see who among your WhatsApp contacts have viewed your WhatsApp story. But your contacts can also disable their privacy settings by having disabled the feature Read Receipts, so that you will not be able to see all the messages or stories that your contacts have viewed from you. Remember that only people who have saved your WhatsApp number in their WhatsApp contacts list can see your WhatsApp stories. And you must also add those contacts in your WhatsApp contacts list or in your mobile's contacts. You can even set the privacy setting for your WhatsApp stories on who can see your stories. If you have set this privacy at a later time, the previous stories that you have uploaded will not be affected by your chosen privacy setting today. If you have done the same, and you've also disabled the Read Receipts setting on your WhatsApp privacy, then you won't be able to see whenever one of your contacts has viewed your messages or story. To set the privacy settings of your WhatsApp story, go to your WhatsApp, tap on the status menu, then tap on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, you'll be able to see the status privacy setting. Tap on it. Here you can choose who can see your status updates, which are also your WhatsApp stories. You have the option to select all your contacts with an exception of selected contacts, and lastly, you can select a few of your contacts who you want to share your status with by tapping on the Only Share With option. Then tap Done. Let's tap on WhatsApp's uploaded stories. As you can see above, this is the storyline where it plays for a few seconds the photo, text, or videos that are uploaded here. You may notice that some of the uploaded media can be edited with stickers and text, which adds creativity to your plain uploaded media. It adds mood and life to your stories, especially when you add stickers like emojis on them. Just be careful of what you share on your WhatsApp stories. Even if your status or your stories can only be seen for 24 hours, some of your contacts may be able to screenshot your status or your story if you're not careful of the media that you share. You can upload long videos in WhatsApp stories, but there's a way that you can upload them, and we will talk about how you can do it in the next lessons, since you can only add videos that are 30 seconds long. Now that you have learned about WhatsApp stories, we can now proceed to the next topic, publishing a story. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about publishing a story. Let's get started. WhatsApp stories allow you to share plain text, photos, or videos that your contacts can see as they tap on your status. Only people who are saved in your contacts can view your stories, and also they must save your number so they too can view your stories as well. Let me show you how to publish a story on WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp personal or business app, then tap on Status. Under the Status tab, you will see a notification that you can now share with your contacts photos, videos, and texts that will disappear after 24 hours. Then tap on My Status. You will see that your phone's camera is activated on your screen. On Android phones, this is what you will see on your screen. Tap on this circle icon to share a photo or hold the circle icon to shoot a video. As you swipe up, you can access your phone's gallery. Choose a photo or a video in your gallery. This is the editor for uploading your WhatsApp stories. In the above section, you may see icons that will add color and mood in your selected media. This icon will let you crop this photo that you have selected, rotate your photo, and when you're done, Tap on this button to go back to the editor. This emoji icon will allow you to add stickers to your stories. You can add a time sticker and choose from these available stickers as well that you like to add in your media. If you want to delete a sticker, just long press on the sticker and drag it to where the trash icon is located. In our screen, it's on the upper left section, so let's drag the sticker to that trash icon in this corner. You may notice a red color on the trash icon as you place the sticker on top of the trash icon. Release the sticker to the trash icon, and the sticker will be removed from your photo. Let's add another sticker. This sticker adds a location to your photo, but you must enable the location settings for WhatsApp. We have enabled the location setting for WhatsApp. Going back, you are now seeing a Google map showing your current location. As you can see, the sticker shows our location here. We can also add multiple locations. Just add another location sticker, then select another location different from your current location. Resize the sticker depending on your preference. If you tap again on the location sticker, it will show you a different location sticker that you can choose. Let's add a sticker and choose a different color as the sticker's border from this color palette. Just drag up and down until you see your preferred color. Now let's add a text to our photo. Tap on the T icon and you can start typing a text that you want to add into your photo. You can also change the text color as you drag up and down from the color palette. Tap on the text section to go back to the editor. Now resize your text and drag it to your desired location. While you resize the text, you can also change the color as you see fit in the photo. Lastly, you can use the pencil icon to draw a doodle in your photo. First, choose a color you prefer before drawing your doodle from the color palette. Tap the pencil icon again to exit the drawing. If you want to remove the drawing, you cannot tap on the drawing the same way stickers can be dragged into the trash icon. Instead, tap on the undo icon here to remove it. Below, you can add a caption to your story. Finalize your photo, then tap on this icon to upload your story. When you tap on the three dots, you can view the number of contacts who viewed your story. When you tap on the three dots, you will see more options to forward your story to your contacts, group, or broadcast list. If you tap on this icon, the story will be sent to your selected contacts. If they tap on it, this is what they will see. If they tap on the location sticker, they will see a pop-up to see the location. They can also view that location using Google Maps. They can even check on the directions on how to get there at a specified time on Google Maps. Your contacts who received your forwarded story can star your story, forward your story to one of their contacts, and they have more options to choose from as they tap on the three dots. They can share it with other apps on their mobile phone, especially to their social media accounts, and we have just shared it with one of our Facebook friends using the share option on WhatsApp. Your contacts also have the option to set it as their profile photo, a group icon, or wallpaper. If you tap on your status, this is how your contacts will see your status. You may notice that it only shows you the story for less than 10 seconds. When you long press a story, you'll be able to view it longer if you want to check more details in the story. The caption is displayed at the bottom and also the eye icon. Now that you have learned about publishing a story, we can now proceed to the next topic, dividing a video across multiple stories. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about dividing a video across multiple stories. Let's get started. People view stories on Instagram, Facebook, and especially on WhatsApp. Although uploading videos on these social media channels have time limits per video upload, we can still upload long videos. But before doing that, we have to divide our long video into multiple few-second video clips depending on the platform's status length limit. Since we cannot upload long videos on WhatsApp that is more than 30 seconds in length, what we can do is split our long video into multiple 30-second length videos and share them as a WhatsApp story. There are mobile video splitter apps that are free to download for Android and iOS phones. On our Play Store, let's search for the app called Video Splitter for WhatsApp Status. You can see that the results here are having the same app name. Let's check this first app here. Tap on the Install button and wait for it to be installed on our mobile phone. Once it's finished downloading, you will see the Open button here. Tap on it. The app shows what features you can use it for. It allows you to easily split long videos for WhatsApp status. Tap Next. The app allows you to directly upload WhatsApp status, taking out the burden of splitting long videos into seamless 30-second clips and sending your multiple WhatsApp status in a single click. You can also split videos according to your preference. Lastly, it has a feature of single split, so you can trim your video once according to your choice. Click Next. You can easily share single and multiple videos on social media networks. Tap on this button to start using the app. You must grant permission for the app to use your phone's storage. Tap OK. Then allow Video Splitter to access your media. Let's start splitting our long videos. If you tap on Split Video, you will be directed to this section where you can select a video from your gallery. Let's choose a longer length video. This video is 4 minutes long. Tap on the video. This screen is where you can split your videos into your choice of splitting. Below, you have the options to use WhatsApp Split, and if you choose this option, your videos will be split into 30-second clips automatically. This will avoid the burden of splitting your long videos manually one by one to create multiple 30-second clips. If you tap on Custom Split, you can drag the slider to show you how long you can split this video with your length of choice. You may notice that you can slide it at any length even if you drag it near the end of the video. If you want this split video to be uploaded on your other social media account like Instagram, which allows 15-second video length to be uploaded as stories, you can set this to 15. If you want to use this for WhatsApp, you can set this to 30. If you tap on Single Split, you may notice that you have 2 points in your slider. You can slide the right point in the middle and this will trim your video within this range. Let's use the WhatsApp Split option since it will be easier for us to use it and upload multiple 30-second clips to our WhatsApp account as stories. Tap on the check icon. You will see the status window showing you the estimated time for your video to be finished splitting. You can let this finish without closing the window, or you can also tap on the button, Notify me when completed if you prefer, and you will see this window showing you the status of your video split. Just wait for the process of splitting our long video into multiple clips. This may take time. When the process of splitting the video is finished, you will see this on your screen. It says processing completed, and we can now tap on the view link. As you can see, here are the multiple clips that this app has created for us. This 4-minute video was split into 9 30-second clips. You can see a preview of the videos that you split as you click on each clip. You can share this clip right away individually to your different social media platforms like your Messenger, WhatsApp, or any of your mobile apps that you can send video clips to. Below, it shows you a pop-up notification that you can follow. Single click to preview the clip and share the video, which is what we've done a while ago. Then long press to select multiple video clips and share them in just one click. If you do a long press on one of the clips, you will see the selected clip below and the number of clicks that you have selected here. You can also delete clips below as you tap on the X icon on each clip. When you're done, tap on this button to start sharing these clips. You will see this pop-up window where we can share the selected clips to our mobile apps. Let's choose WhatsApp. Then you can send these clips to your recent chats and other WhatsApp contacts. Let's share these clips to My Status. Then tap on this icon. You will see this window on your WhatsApp mobile app. These are the selected clips below. This shows you that each video is 30 seconds long. You can play each clip if you tap on the play icon. You can also use the icons above to delete the clip, add stickers, add text, or draw on your selected clips. Each clip will show you the file size as you can see here. If you tap on the caption, the app has a default caption here. You can use this or just delete the caption and replace it with your preferred caption. Tap on this icon to start uploading these clips. Once it's done, you can view your multiple clips on your status as your WhatsApp stories. You can see on the top section of our story, it has multiple stories since we have uploaded our video with 9 30-second clips. Dividing a video across multiple stories is a way of uploading longer videos on our WhatsApp account as stories. WhatsApp may not allow video uploads of more than 30 seconds in length, but we can still upload them as multiple clips that will play continuously by splitting them into smaller lengths that the platform allows. Stories are an essential part of promoting or marketing your business. It creates an emotion to your viewers that they can relate to. And once they are hooked, you can easily attract them as your potential customers, and you can have the opportunity to engage with them as they start sending you messages regarding their interest in your products or services. Using the free mobile apps for splitting long videos for your WhatsApp status will save you time by splitting long videos into multiple clips in just one click. Now that you have learned about dividing a video across multiple stories, we can now proceed to the next topic, using stories as a marketing tool. I'll see you there. Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about using stories as a marketing tool. Let's get started. WhatsApp is a free app that can be used for personal or business purposes. WhatsApp is made to communicate with people you know, relieving yourself of paying high fees that your mobile network could bill you just by sending SMS messages or having voice calls to your contacts. WhatsApp doesn't have an advertising feature inside the app, but you can take advantage of the features of WhatsApp to market to your contacts. When you have added your potential and existing customer's contact number, and they have added you as well in their WhatsApp contacts list, then you can use that into your advantage in promoting your products or services so that your customers can see what you are promoting. People are looking to browse content that is visually appealing and catches their attention. People love stories. Crafting compelling content that you can use as stories will hook your viewers to see more of what you can offer. Define your target market. Your business's products or services can cater to specific demographics such as age, gender, and location. If you have a Facebook page and you have already incorporated your WhatsApp business number to your followers will be aware that your business also has a WhatsApp business number and eventually add you up in their contacts list. If you check your Facebook's insights, you can find it on the top menus of your Facebook page. When you're on your business Facebook page, click on Insights. You will see an overview of your Facebook page's activity. On the left side, click on People. This will show you your fans, followers, people reached, and people engaged. As you can see here, it also shows you per age range of the followers who view your Facebook content by percentage. You can interpret this as most of your fans are men with the age range of 25 to 34 years old. Below, you'll be able to see the country where your audience is from, and it also shows the cities and the language here. Sharing success stories from your previous customers can also attract people's attention. If you use your previous customers' review or feedback regarding their great experience with the products or services that you offer and compare their experience with the before and after scenario using your products or services, your viewers will be able to relate to the scenario, and your stories would eventually create an emotional connection with your viewers if they viewed that story. They will easily understand that your products could add more benefits to their everyday lives than dealing with their everyday routine without the help of your products or services that could help make their lives easier. Visual stories like videos, infographics, GIFs, memes are widely used and shared on social media channels today. Using visual stories, you can communicate your promotional message easily with potential customers. When your target audience are visually and emotionally hooked with your stories, you can show them your call to action link, button, or command. You have the advantage of giving them a command whether they should click a link, a button, or send them to your landing page. Since they are already hooked, they want to get something out of it. They want to take action. Your next step is to persuade them so you can convert them from potential customers to regular customers. Using stories will help you attract more potential customers, increase conversion rate, increase business sales, and increase engagement with your customers. You want to let your target audience know that your business can help improve their lives. By using stories that show your target audience how your products can answer to their problems, there's a greater chance that you'll win their hearts into loving your products and services, and they will trust your brand and be your loyal customers. Now that you have learned about using stories as a marketing tool, we can now proceed to the next chapter, WhatsApp strategies. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.